our unicorn got busy. And that unicorn ran all over the shop at night and casting spells. You know how I know it was everywhere? Not because it was peeing everywhere, because Kevin Cluth at Pinnacle in Rochester told me, look for the glitter. I saw glitter everywhere. I knew this unicorn had been in there. Why do I have a unicorn? Well, we have this unicorn in our home, in our shop here, because we came into a house that had been contaminated with drywall and silica dust from concrete grinding. And the little kid was playing on this. And we said, let's get it out of the house so we can thoroughly HEPA vacuum it, groom it, clean the main, clean the whole piece. We actually did bring this here to do a full in-shop cleaning, but thought it was kind of fun to talk about unicorn pee. Let's take a quick look at ways we might approach a subsurface treatment or issue with an issue with an animal accident. Some of you are prepared and have gone to the installation classes, and you know how to use the tools to disengage the carpet. But there are techniques when you can't pull the carpet back easily, where you can work through the surface of it. And there's a variety of flood treatments that are out there to doing that with. I'm just going to quickly demonstrate some processes to do that. One of the new products that we've just brought in and been playing with is Odor Slayer. This stuff has got an amazing scent, phenomenal product. Definitely would give this some room on the space on the shelves of the truck. But for today, we're going to use an oxidizing process. I need the gray bucket, please. And I'm just going to show you how to do a quick flood treat with this is a Mighty tool that Mighty has put out. This is their flood extraction tool. We're going to run it for just a quick second. One of the things I need vacuum and water, please. And I've got the tools. Thank you, Mario. We're going to mix up our flood treatment, but the first thing we want to think about is that this carpet should be extracted first. If we had heavy urine saturation on the surface of the carpet, I would have pre-treated it with my urine pre-spray, my UPS first, to break down the urine on the surface. Extract that with a wand from the surface of the carpet. Once I've got the surface soils counteracted, now I'm going to do a subsurface treat. I've got a backing that allows me to know I'm going through a primary and secondary, through a non-water barrier backing, to be able to hopefully treat a little deeper with what we call controlled flooding. We've got some hot water we've got ready here in the bucket. We're going to go ahead and take some of our USR, all right, urine stain remover with multi-phase deodorizer, and go ahead and add it right into our hot water. We're going to mix that up. Great. All right, so I've got my urine stain treatment. It's all activated. It's got the bubbly activity happening. We're going to go ahead and do a quick treatment. We do have low moisture tools too. Oh my gosh, I have so much to play with today. We're going to go ahead and hook up the flushing tool. Bring that back over. Awesome. This one has a vacuum flush port at the bottom, and it actually injects some moisture through the tool as we're putting it through. So we can do a power flush right through the carpet, and there it goes, with just water if I want to do a pre-rinse. Now I can also treat, what I often will do is treat right around that area, so I get a deeper treatment into that flood and get a nice exchange deeper into the pile. Always be sure to do thorough extraction to flush all of that moisture back out again, and this tool gives you the ability to do a power rinse during that process.